So you've made your game, you're proud of it, you want to show it off to all your friends. Excellent, good, well done you. So we go menu, project, we're going to export our game now, ready for other people to look at it. So we go menu, export. We're going to put it on web, so we're going to put it on a website where other people can play it. Web, HTML5, next. All of this is fine. We don't need to worry about any of that for now. Next. Then it will download as a zipped folder. I've excellently called it new project.zip. Don't do that. Call it something like that you know what it is, because if you're making more games, you're going to have loads of new project.zips. But yeah, do as I do, do as I say, not as I do. So to download, we've got that downloaded. So now we need to go over to a website where we can publish that. There's all kinds of places you can do it, but for me, we're going to go to itch.io. So i.ch.io. Press enter, and here we are. Now, I might have my own logins for it, but you can log in, register yourself. If you register, you choose your username, choose your password, repeat your password, email, sign up, and you'll be away. You might have to confirm your email address to upload, so make sure you do that. So create my username will be Coblin. My password will be none of your business. My email address is I will use not interested. I'm interested in playing games. I'm interested in distributing content. Create account. Oh, I must accept the terms of service. My mistake. Accept the terms of service. Yep. Right. Create account. Cool. Are you a developer? Upload your first game. Let's upload our first game. Create new project. I don't have payment configured, so I can't upload a game. Test game 1. That sounds good. Right, what are you uploading? Games. We are uploading a game. This website you can use for all kinds. The project, this is important. We're saying it's HTML because we want people to be able to play it in browser, so we can show it to people, send it to people. Then this is up to you if you were in development, showing off, whatever. That's fine. We're going to say no payments. We're going to upload our file. So, okay, yeah, so it needs you to verify your email address. So check your emails, get it verified, and then you can be fine. I will do that quickly now as well. So to verify your email, you want to go to your settings, email addresses, send verification email. And then if you check your email, you should have the email there. And then when you get your email, you'll have a link, click that link, and then it'll be confirm email verification. And then you should be able to upload your project. So click here, upload new project, title, test game, HTML, no payments, upload our file, and you get your appropriately titled game.zip. Now this is important. You need to click here to say this file will be played in browser, and then anyone you send this link to can play it, which is great. It's exactly what we want. Your embed options here, I would say add a full screen button. It's always handy. Genre, you don't have to worry about this stuff for now. What I would say is here, where you've got the option restricted first and then public, but then say click unlist in search and browse, and that way then only people with the link can find it. So you click public, but then you click unlist and search and browse, unless you want people playing your game and finding it by accident or whatever, and that's completely fine as well. Save and view page, and then it will load your game. Click run game. We can enter full screen if we want to. And if it doesn't work straight away, there's nothing wrong with it. You just need to click on it, and then you've sort of selected it with your computer, and then you've got your game playing for the whole world to enjoy. So that's great. Excellent. Well done. So you've covered a lot there. You've covered how to make a game. Basically, you've got a game where you can sort of lose or be defeated. You've got a game where you can win. So your game has an ending. It can restart. You know how to move between different layouts. You know how to put mechanics in. You know how to have something positive when your character touches an object, and you know how to have something negative happen when a character touches an object. So you've got really strong building blocks there to play along with, and you know how to take that project, you know how to save it, export it, and have it so anyone in the world can play it. So 10 out of 10, well done, big achievement.